if you are thinking to seek an asylum, or if you have already claimed asylum, you must know some basic knowledge about asylum. The reason is we know only asylum claim, but what is the alternative name? What is the requirement to satisfy to claim asylum? That's the basic knowledge you need to know. To what I will first advise you to know what is refugee and what is asylum application. Now, under the immigration rules, I'll show you on the screen in a minute. Under the immigration rules, 327 is said an application for asylum or an asylum application is a claim by a person to be recognized as a refugee under Refugee Convention on the basis that it would be contrary to the United Kingdom's obligation under the Refugee Convention for them to be removed from the or required to leave United Kingdom. Now, let me go through these. Now, the first requirement, that's what you need to establish that you are a refugee, and this is an UK obligation to give a protection. This is a separate part. So don't worry about it. What you must worry that you are a refugee under the Refugee Convention. Now, what is refugee? What's the definition of refugee? So the definition of refugee is very important, and that's what I want you to know. If you want to seek asylum or you claim asylum by waiting for a screening interview or substantial interview, I want you to know what is Refugee Convention. If you have a lawyer, you should ask him what is asylum. The definition of refugee is the prima facie. What is prima facie things you need to understand that what is refugee. If you can establish you are a refugee, then you will get protection in the UK or you can seek asylum. Now, refugee. Now, what is refugee? Why it is defined? Now, the refugee term defined in Article 1 of Refugee Convention 1951. And if you can satisfy the Home Secretary that if you are a refugee, you should get asylum, because UK is a member of the convention, signature of the convention, and it is UK obligation to give you protection, not to remove you from the UK. So what is the definition? Let's go to the point now. The definition is refugee as a person who, owing to well-founded fear of being prosecuted for reason of race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group, or political opinion. So 5 reasons. You have a well-founded fear of prosecution because of your race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group, or political opinion. And you are outside of your home country or nationality, and is unable or owing to such fear is unwilling to avail to the protection of that country. So what it means basically, you have a well-founded fear of prosecution. So this is the first things you need to establish, that I have a fear. Why? Because I will be prosecuted in my back home. Now, by who will be prosecuted and why will be prosecuted? This is a separate matter. As soon as you can establish that you will be prosecuted by your government or by any law enforcing agency, or by your family, any particular terrorist group or any group, political group, society, community. Okay, say for example, Al-Shabaab or Taliban or ISI, or even community, even by your family, and if the state failed to give you protection, right? So this is a case, lots of case law, interpretation of law, this is a separate matter. But what you should know that I will be prosecuted because I have a well-founded fear of prosecution. You don't need to establish that you have been prosecuted. What you need to establish, you have a fear, where you have a well-founded fear of prosecution. That is the main. Why you have that fear? Because of your race. Or why you'll be prosecuted? Because of your religion. Five reasons. Convention reason. Five reasons. Because of your race, religion, because of your nationality, membership of any particular group, or political opinions. So these are the five reasons. And you, of course, you are in the UK, and you will not able to go to your home country, and you don't want to take protection because country can't give you protection. So what is unwilling to obey for the protection of that country. So if you claim asylum, at the same time you apply for the passport of that country, so that is contradictory with the Refugee Convention. So that's what is the Refugee Convention. That is what is the definition of refugee. As soon as you can satisfy the Home Secretary that you are within the definition of Refugee Convention, then the Home Secretary should give you protection, right? Home Secretary give you a refugee status, recognize you following your application for asylum. So I hope this is a very brief information. I have lots of video how to claim asylum, what is the relocation, what is the fear of prosecution, from who you should come or shouldn't come, how it can be well-founded, and the procedure of the different cases I also discussed. So if you have more curiosity to know about it, you can have a look my YouTube channel, SWF Solicitors. I have also a Facebook. I publish all live, so you can have a look. I hope you will get a lot of information. But if you need really need help and you want to seek an asylum and need a consultation, please feel free to contact us. My name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor. We have office in London, Milton Keynes. We also provide advice remotely. So if you live anywhere in the UK or outside the UK and you need consultation, please give a ring in our office. The number appears at the bottom of the screen. Make a consultation either face-to-face or by a video link, and you can take our assistance if you want to seek asylum in the UK. So thank you very much, all of you who watch. Please feel free to share this video on your timeline for the benefit of our community or those who need this help.